Hi, this is Manisha Badle. I'm a wellness trainer. Today I'll show you a few practices which will help you to relax yourself. Simple practices. We are sitting in Vajrasana. I'm sitting on both my feet. Your spine is erect, hands are placed loose, relaxed, eyes are closed. A few normal breaths. Now, you can create a little gap in both your legs and hands beside your body, head down, relax. If your head doesn't reach the floor, you can have a variation. Now, hands ahead, forehead touching the floor. Relax your back. You can do these exercises whenever we require to relax. Thank you.